Okay, today the topic is change of bases. In change of bases, we have already completed question related to S1 and S2 containing a two-dimension space. Now here I am having my dimension is 3. That is here U1, U2 and U3 and V1, V2 and V3 containing 3 elements in each of the bases. We have already learned how to solve bases for u1 and u2. So obviously if I am having a 3 variables in the question, my formula will be related for 3 variables. In last question, my formula is P is equal to V1S1 plus V2S1. But here my elements containing 3 entries, so it would be V3S1. Now from where I will get this value? This is a value related to P. So this value I am going to substitute on left hand side. My question, first of all, my aim is to find out V1S1, then V2S1 and then V3S1. So very first I will find V1S1. How to find V1S1? V1S1 containing element 1, 2 and minus 1 from the matrix P. So these are the values which I have taken. Now for a solution V1, my formula will be V1 is equal to U1 plus 2u2 minus 1u3. This is the formula. Now values of u1, u2 and u3 I am already having in the question. So substitute this value u1, u2 and u3 from the question. So outcome will be u1's value 101 plus this 2 and value of u2 minus u3. As I have already said, for simplifying vector, consider all the vectors first element, that is 1 plus 2 minus 0. So outcome will be 1 plus 2 is 3. Then second elements from all, so 0 plus 2 ones are 2 minus 0. So outcome will be 2, and similarly solve from third. This is V1S1. Now my goal is to find V2S1. From where I will get a V2? V2 is a second column of the given question element P. So this is P, this whole is my V1, this one is my V2. So 1, 1, minus 1. This is the value of V2 that I am already having. So from this V2 I am going to generate my formula. So formula will be U1 plus U2 minus U3. This is the formula. Now again I am already having values of U1, U2 and U3 from the question. So substitute values related to U1, U2, U3 and simplify accordingly. Now V3S1. How I will get V3S1? V3 is an element from the given question third column 2 1 1. So now what would be my formula? My formula will be 2u1 plus u2 plus u3. So this way I have generated my formula. 2 is a constant, already having value of u1, already having value of u2, already having value of u3. Collect first element from the vector and outcome will be 3. Same way for second and same way for third. So 3 1 3 is a outcome related to V3. So this is my final outcome V1, V2 and V3, which combinedly generated a basis S2 for the matrix P.